Hi, I'm Bennett Leifer, a designer based in New York City and Connecticut. Welcome to my Flatiron project. I'm known for my use of sophisticated color palettes and thoughtful mix of colors and textures. And you'll see all of that here in the spacious floor-through apartment. And it all starts here in the foyer. This space used to be closed off at one end, so we opened it up to bring in the natural light and emphasized it with a luminous plaster wall finish and reflective furniture pieces. I spent a lot of time selecting lighting for this project. These wall sconces play with a linear line, which is a theme throughout the apartment. I wanted this foyer to both greet you and excite you for what's coming next. And this is what's next. A living room which seemed to have endless possibilities in the beginning, but posed a few design challenges along the way. Because of the size of the room and the almost overwhelming views, I had to really think about how I was going to bring intimacy to the space. This space had to serve multiple functions. I solved this puzzle by providing multiple seating areas. Some, like the large sofa, accommodate a larger group, while others, like the pairs of chairs, are more intimate. You'll see sculptural coffee tables and swivel chairs and interesting side tables. And this became a great opportunity for design collaboration between myself, the architect Siris Coombs, and the client. Together, we designed this fluted wall paneling to add a bit of visual interest, texture, and warmth. But I really felt this room needed a focal point. Come check out the bar. This design moment sums up everything I was trying to do in the room. It provides functionality, it's a focal point, shows beautiful custom finishes, and reflects the light. But the star of this area is a scene from antiquity. It's a custom aigle-maze backing designed with the client in mind. The tapering of this large room provided a space for an intimate dining area. And the angularity of the room inspired my choice of furnishings and lighting. The table and chairs have sculptural legs, which provide visual interest but don't block the light. Pulling from the contrast established by the table and chairs, we chose a backlit white rock crystal sconce to contrast the wall paneling. The chandelier here is sculptural and beautiful, but doesn't block the view, because a view like this needs to be celebrated. Originally, this was two separate spaces, and I reconfigured it into the generous primary suite you see now. It includes a sleeping area and a sitting area. I created a wall parallel to the window to place the bed. The wall paneling is actually made of feathers. I wanted to have a little bit of fun with the fact that we're so high up in the sky. You can lie here and literally have the city at your feet. I wanted the bedside lighting to be more understated and enhance the glow of the wall finish, whereas the chandelier is a statement piece. The angularity of this piece reflects the lines of the apartment and the city outside. The primary bath was another great collaboration between me, the architect, and the client. This is one of the most beautiful views in the world, and we wanted to make sure that in every space you could be a part of it. Here in the bathroom, we did that by creating this transparent viewing shower. The circular form of the shower contrasts with the straight lines of the windows. And I carried that into the floor pattern where I used circular tiles. And ultimately, this may be one of the most beautiful bathrooms I've ever worked on. Behind a hidden door from the study, we turned a windowless room into an indoor garden. And this is a room we lovingly call Narnia. We lined the walls with dried moss, added faux floral arrangements, and even used lanterns as lighting accents. I wanted to wow my clients and transport them to another world, and I think I did that. I had a great client on this project who allowed me to express my love of color, materiality, and unique pieces. Thanks for taking a tour. See you on the next one.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?